Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick look at the Windows market share for the month of March 2019. Of course, we're at the beginning of a new month, and one of the things I like to do is just to see how the different Windows version are, popular, and so or have a certain market share. As popular is not necessarily the correct word. Um, so Windows 10, 55.72% of Windows PCs at the end of March of 2019. And that is very, very interesting because it actually grew by about 1%. It's interesting because there's also another measure of Windows market share that have different numbers but has a number that made Windows 10 grow quite fast. Whatever number you like to choose, one thing for sure is that there is a progression of Windows 10 that is obvious, and that as we go through 2019, I think this might actually grow faster because of Windows 7 not having that much time left before something happens. Windows 7, 33.44%, and that 33.44% is a little less than half percent. It's actually like 0.4%, well, close to 0.5%, half a percent. It's really slow decline, basically, of Windows 7, but still, 33.4%. It's going to be interesting to see what happens at the end of the year, how much, where this is going to be. Windows 8.1 at 8.48%, Windows XP at 1.75, and Windows Vista at 0.55. So this is the market share, which is interesting to see. Of course, Windows 10 still growing. Of course, if you're still wondering, well, the October 2018 update, the last number we had was last week, and was at around 26% of all Windows 10 PCs. Kind of letting us know that Microsoft has maybe decided to let go and focus on the April 2019 update for this. And of course, that means that we will have, a push of the April 2019 update. Probably a more aggressive push if everything seems to be all right. And of course, Windows 10 will continue to grow through the year. There's really no options from that, and it will be quite interesting to see where we are at. Will we at some point this year reach the billion PC with Windows 10 on it? That would be, I guess that will actually arrive at some point, and that will be, of course, a milestone, as Microsoft often wanted to have a billion devices with Windows 10 by mid 2018. It missed, of course, but it's still quite there. They're going to reach that billion by the end of this year, so this is interesting to see. Windows 7, of course, slow decline. We'll see what it looks like at the end of the year, but there's still going to be a lot of PCs running Windows 7 next year in January when the last security updates actually show up. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.